Assalamu alaikum, 7th class, Unit 5, Science Fiction. We are going to do activity of Unit 5. Activity point 5.1. Take the most appropriate answer to these questions. Why were listeners confused when they turned into the program late? There are some situations we choose the correct situation. They had not heard the announced that this was a radio play. What information made listeners believe the play must be true? The story came in the form of new flashes and in interview with the professor. Which of the following first put the fear into the listener's mind? There, the third option is write a report of regular explosions of hydrogen gas moving quickly towards the earth. Number 4, how were the Matrians supposedly killed everyone in their path? There, the first option is right. They were armed with death rays. And the other one, why were people holding wet towel over their faces? So they would protect themselves from the gas the Matrians were using. Answer the questions. Do you think the radio station expected the people to react the way and they did? Give the reason for your answer. No one for the people would believe the story or talking seriously. Number 2, what could the radio station have done to prevent the panic? Radio station stopped the plays at the interval and announced that this play was based War of the World by the H.G. Wells. Could something like this happen today? Give a reason for your answer. No, something like this happen today because this is modern age. If everyone in Singapore tried to leave at once, what would happen? It is not possible to leave the Singapore at once. 5.2 is skipped. 5/2 पार्ट 1 स्कीप है बेटा, और नेक्स्ट जो पार्ट 2 है वो हमने करना है. मैच द इवेंट्स टू द पॉइंट ऑन द टाइम ऑर्डर इन विच दे हैपन. देयर आर सम सिचुएशंस वी पार्ट द सिचुएशन ग्रेजुअली. हमने इनको पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 पार्ट 3 से हमने इसको मैच करना है. फर्स्टली क्या होता है, फर्स्ट पार्ट उन्होंने हमारी एग्जांपल के तौर पे किया है. एना वॉक्स अप द फीलिंग स्टिफ एंड कूल. एना जो थी वो उसको सर्दी फील हो रही थी. नंबर 2 पे है एना नोटिस जो वॉकिंग अप वर्ड इज दिस हिज हिबर स्लीप. नंबर 3 पे है जो आस्क व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन. नंबर 4 आना एड्रेसेस आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द शिप बाय द नेम ऑफ एक्टिवेटेड. नंबर 5 water tells them there is a fault with the ship's protective force field. Number 6 Walter starts the countdown to landing. Number 7 Anna and Joe see Earth for the first time. Number 8 Anna and Joe wonder that it will be like once they land on the Earth. 5.3 एक्टिविटी एक्सप्लोरिंग साइंस फिक्शन. उसके थ्रू हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन देनी है. फाइंड एनी as many word and as phrase as you can. Earth song to describe the following story element. जो स्टोरी हमने पढ़ी है अर्थ सॉन्ग, उसके अंदर कुछ वर्ड फ्रेजेस हैं. वर्ड फ्रेजेस को हमने फाइंड आउट करना है और उसको हमने यहाँ पे उस एलिमेंट को हमने किस तरह से यूज़ किया हमने लिखना है. करेक्टर कैपेबल, केयरफुली, impersonal मेयर, calm as polite as ever. ये calm as polite as ever इसका जो है वो हमने करैक्टर इसमें शो करना है, क्या कौन से करैक्टर हैं, किस तरह से डिस्क्राइब किए गए हैं, और हमने उसका वर्ड फ्रेज बनाना है। सेटिंग, डार्क ऑफ द प्लेस, ग्रीनिश ग्लो। कॉम्प्लिकेशन, हीट स्लाइड हैव प्रूव्ड डिफेक्टिव, प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स फील्ड विच refer to the activate prolonged loss to the consciousness. Students, next activities are skipped from 5 chapter. Only 5.3 till the 5.3 is to done. Students, Allah Hafiz. Your activity book is also complete. Allah Hafiz.